Hi, I'm Tommy from Jet-Vac Equipment Company, and I'm here in Dixon, Illinois to show you some of these great products from Sewer Equipment Company of America. As we move down the driver's side of the truck, the first thing I want to talk about is the filtration system. We utilize a 3-stage filtration system with the tank being stage 1, 2 cyclone separators, and 2 10-micron filters. This allows us the capability to suck with no water introduction. As we move toward the back of the truck, the first thing you'll notice is the rear storage. Above that, you'll notice a 60-inch dump height, and we still maintain under 12 feet clearance height. As we move around to the passenger side of the truck, I want to point out the piston-style pump. This is an available option with a close-mounted accumulator for smooth operation. You'll notice a high pressure and low pressure Haney reel that are mounted low for your convenience. As we move around to the front of the truck, this is where simplicity is key. You have 4 switches located on the panel, one being on-off, one being blower, one being water. This is all part of our simple process. This is our Model 800 Series 4. This is a fully enclosed, true, all-weather jetter truck. This truck utilizes a Giant Industries continuous pump with a 30-minute run-dry capability. There is an 80,000 BTU heater mounted in the enclosure for warming. Take notice of the extended hose reel. This reel is mounted on a 5,000-pound bearing. That size bearing is over twice the rated weight of the hose reel. Therefore, we consider it a lifetime bearing. As we move to the passenger side of the truck, you'll see the simple controls as used on all of Sewer Equipment's products with no confusing operation. On is on and off is off. This truck comes in at under 33,000 pounds, therefore is not subject to FET. I want to jump right into the one-piece design of the Model 747. This comes with a Kohler diesel engine. Take note of the manual latches that hold the doors open. This is because air shocks fail with time. Also take note of the triple tongue trailer. This is built with 2x6 tubular steel. This trailer is equipped with a giant pump. Notice the easy access door to make pump maintenance easy and effective. These Duraproline water tanks are secured with straps for flexibility. This reel is mounted on a 5,000-pound bearing and is also available with auto wind feature. The 747 utilizes simple 12-volt architecture. These are heavy-duty aluminum rims with 7,000-pound axles. As we move down the passenger side of the 900 Eco, the first thing I want to point out is the toolbox storage. The biggest complaint I hear from operators are lack of storage for their equipment. The next thing I'd like to point out is the triplex pump. This is a giant pump that has a capability of running dry for 30 minutes. I'd like to take a second and talk about the water tanks. These aren't your typical molded tanks you'll see on other trucks. This Duraproline is bought in sheets similar to plywood and fused together by butt welding. At the rear of the truck, you'll notice a decant valve and a port for an optional pump off as well. The available sizes for the debris tank are 6-yard, 9-yard, 12-yard, and 15 yards for those big jobs. When it comes to simplicity and build quality, there's no better than the 900 Eco. If you've got hydro excavation needs, we've got what you need for the job. When it comes to the Ramvak HX12, there's not a whole lot to be said. If you're in this industry and you do a lot of heavy hydro excavation, you can look at this truck and tell this truck was built for some seriously hard work. Take note of the central lubrication block on the bottom left of the debris tank. Every line that comes off of that block goes directly to the point of grease. There are no splitters. This truck has a heated water pump enclosure with a roll-up door for your cold weather applications. All right, guys, I've had a great time up here in Illinois getting to put my hands on all these great products Sewer Equipment has to offer. If you see anything that interests you or you'd like to schedule a demonstration on any of this great equipment, please let me know. I've only skimmed the top on how good this equipment truly is.